Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinan and today I'm going to unboxing my iPad Pro M1. After months of research and waiting for the Apple event this September 2021, I finally decided to pick iPad Pro M1 as my first iPad. I was confused about choosing between the 11-inch and the iPad mini, but I think I need a bigger screen and I used to do two things at the same time. That's why I need a bigger screen to split screen, so I can watch Netflix while scrolling the Pinterest. Does anyone like me? Am I weird? I'm so excited, so here they are. I bought the iPad and the mighty Apple Pencil. Let's enjoy the unboxing. I chose Space Gray 128 gigs. I hope this will be enough for the next 3-5 years. Actually, I'm not supposed to do the unboxing today because the screen guard and the case haven't arrived yet, but I couldn't wait any longer. I used to install screen guard on all my gadgets all by myself. I'm pretty used to it. But this time I kinda nervous. I really need to make sure to clear all the dust. This takes a lot of patience, you guys. Okay, now it's time. Wish me luck. Like screen guard installed perfectly. Now let's put the case on. I'm really into monochrome lately. That's why I chose the color gray. I think this will make my space gray iPad look sophisticated. Oh, and one thing, my iPad case is detachable, so I can use it without the flip case anytime I want. I also bought some of the pencil case. The yellow one is a bit difficult to put on, so I decided to use the thumb grip for now and put the tip nib cover. People say this will protect it, but does the pencil will work with the tip nib cover? It worked! Yay! Okay, all done. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye!